What a day on the highway, going in my head. Walls made of qualities, right up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a swimming lane. My head grew heavy and my side grew deep, and some of the night there was a strange doorway. And I was thinking to myself, this could be hell, this could be hell. That's the name of the candle, and she showed me the way. There where I was down the corridor, I to have them say, welcome to Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, any time of year, you can find it here. Oh, what is to be a dream? City's bad. She got a lot of pretty boys. That's a girlfriend. Holding down the courtyard, sweep summer stream. Some days remember, some days you forget. So I go out to Captain, please be my wife. Yeah.